inequality graph question. Write down the three inequalities that defined the shaded region. So we know this region is shaded and is guided by three lines. This is the first line. Easily to know this first line that goes in the horizontal direction is y is less than or equal to 4. Why is it y less than or equal to 4? That's because the part that's shaded is below. So, and we know that when we shade below is less than, and then we do it less than or equal to because it's a solid line. So the first equation is y is less than or equal to 4. That's taken. Then we have two other lines. So let's take this line as our number 2 first. So looking at this line, we want to first of all find the equation, and we also know that it's a solid line, so it's going to be less than or equal to or greater than or equal to. From what I'm seeing, because we are shading towards the top up like this, so it's definitely going to be what? Greater than or equal to. That's settled. Then let's know what that line is. Because it's a straight line, we're going to be using equation of straight line that says y is equal to mx plus c. That's the general equation of the straight line. YC is our y-axis intercept, and if you look at this line, the y-axis intercept is 2, so it means c is equal to 2. All right, if c is equal to 2, we want to know our m. M is our gradient, and remember, if you check a class that I taught in the gradient, you're going to look at every one move to the horizontal side. How many moves do you go to the up vertical side or to the down in the vertical aspect? So now, if we look at that equation, this our straight line, you'd notice that for every one move to the right, you're going to go 2 moves downward. For one move to the right, 2 moves downward. One move to the right, 2 moves downward. That tells us that our slope, our m, is equals to -2. Why is it minus? Because you are moving downwards, so it's a negative line. So when you put it in the equation of straight line, it's going to give us y is equals to -2x plus 2, because 2 is our intercept. M is -2. So because it's now less than or equal to, then the equation that satisfies the line is y is greater than or equal to, because we are shading towards the positive side. So y is greater than or equal to -2x plus 2. That is the second line. This is the first line, y is less than or equal to 4. The second line is y is greater than or equal to -2x plus 2. The third line, which is this this third line that goes this direction. If we want to check it, we're going to also find our y-intercept. You know, we are using the equation y is equals to mx plus c. Our y-intercept is 1. So it means the c is equals to 1. Then we need to get the gradient. Now to get the gradient, we look at for every one move to the right. When you move 1 move to the right, when you move 3 moves to the right, you move 2 moves upward. So 2 over 3. M is equal to 2 over 3. So it then now means that y is equal to 2 over 3x plus 1. So that is y. But we also shaded to the upper side, so which is greater than or equal to. Then the third equation is third inequality is y is greater than or equal to 2x over 3 plus 1. So with this, we have the three that satisfy the shaded region. The first is y is less than or equal to 4. The second is y is greater than or equal to -2x plus 2. The third is y is greater than or equal to 2x over 3 plus 1. And it's as simple as that. To get your equation, just use gradient. There's a class I teach extensively on gradient. Just use your gradient and the y-intercept using the straight line equation, and that is it. If you do understand this, give it a thumb up. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section, and do have a great time. See you again in another class. Thank you and bye bye.